Hello. Okay. Hello. I am here today to speak about the life cycle of the caddisfly, an insect species scientifically referred to as Trichoptera, name derived from the Greek words for hair and wings. There are over 1,000 species of caddisfly in North America, and the Pacific Northwest is home to nearly 200. But these creatures are also found worldwide, commonly along streams and rivers. Before we begin, I would like to share a quote from the poet Andrea Rexilius, which I would like you to keep in mind throughout the presentation. Is it based on personal principle? Is it ovular or rectangular? How far are we from the bottom? How far is the bottom from the top? Female caddisflies lay their jelly-encased eggs on or below the surface of water, attached to plants in conglomerate globs or strings. They also have the lovely option of draping these masses on bushes and trees around the stream so they can be washed into the water by future rains. The emergent larvae are aquatic and inhabit the small, cold streams of their birth. These waters are typically well oxygenated, highly buffered by surrounding trees and rocks, and low in trace minerals. Larvae have well-branched gills on the thorax and abdomen, and a sclerosed head, as well as highly developed legs protruding from a long, soft body. Larvae have well-branched gills on the thorax and abdomen, a sclerotized head, and well-developed legs protruding from a long, soft body. There are 3 basic types of caddisfly larvae. 3 basic types. Those that have no case, those with a portable case. This case is created by coating themselves with silk and then various pebbles, twigs, and sand, whatever is available, to cover their soft, pale bodies. Within these casings, the larvae writhe, enabling the flow of oxygenated water through fissures in the pebble structure and along the gills. And those without cases that spin silken nets between stones for catching small organisms, algae, and debris. Different species make nets with varying mesh sizes to suit their preferred food. Some larvae are predaceous. Some larvae pierce plants and suck out the phloem or xylem. Once adults, the insects will eat no more. As invertebrates grow, they shed their exoskeleton numerous times. These periods of growth are called instars. Typically, 5 to 7 of these stages occur while growing on the bottom of the stream or river. Some of the free-living larvae don't build cases until the pupal stage, where the case serves as a sort of cocoon. Some continuously build, abandon, and rebuild portable cases as they grow. The larva either seals its case or builds a new case in which to undergo metamorphosis. The cases are silk-spun cocoons that the creature attaches to a rock, sealing the front and back openings to block out predators, but leaving enough room for water to flow through. The pupal phase can last weeks or months depending on the timing of cooling water temperatures in the fall. By synchronizing their maturation with the season, the insects ensure easier mate finding. The mature pupa cuts itself free from its case with a special pair of mandibles and swims or crawls to the surface of the water, where it sheds its pupal membrane, gills, and mandibles. Metamorphosis complete, the creature emerges from the water to live, to fly. Ha! Turns out it's not much different from swimming. Adults are nocturnal, trout like this snack, often a model for fly fishers. Drably colored with either hairy or clear wings, there are wart-like projections on the pronotum. The pronotum is the prominent plate-like structure that covers all or part of the thorax of some insects. The pronotum covers the dorsal surface of the thorax. These adult insects are easily mistaken for moths. The adult flies into the trees and bushes along the stream where it stays for 2 or 3 days. Mating takes place either on the ground or in the trees and vegetation along the stream. Mating gets underway as adults begin swarming in and around a tree or bush. This activity signals the beginning of the mating swarm, with the adult caddis using the bush or tree as a point of gathering. Females fly off to deposit their eggs. Unlike mayflies, after ovipositing, adult caddisflies don't die right away, but fly off to live for varying lengths of time. Their life cycle generally lasts for 1 year.